Well, I am on my period, so that means that I'm not really gonna get in the water, so I'm gonna do my makeup nice, because why not? So when I like to do natural stuff where I don't have a lot of stuff on my face, oh my god, you could tell I'm tired because I don't know what I'm saying. I just like to use powdered foundation with concealer, so I'm gonna just take my Makeup Forever powdered foundation and then some concealer, and we're just gonna speed through it. I always like powder foundation because you could do your makeup fast, and you know how because of this whole pandemic thing, you have to wear a mask all the time. It doesn't rub off so much and it's really natural. So it looks like my skin still, you could still see everything. So that's why I love powder foundation. So excited to be vlogging today. I haven't vlogged in a long time. To be honest, I don't like vlogging because I feel like you guys don't like it, but I feel like that's the only way we can like really get to know each other. So that's why I'm doing it. For the eyes, I'm not going to do anything crazy. I'm going to do lashes just because I want my eyes to stand out. But I'm just going to take my Benefit Hoola bronzer and just place this in like the crease. Just to add some dimension there. It's nothing special. I feel like my eyes are really patchy right now, so that's wonderful. So I'm just gonna put the same bronzer on my face. I'm gonna do something really crazy. Well, it's not crazy, but like for the beach and what everybody does. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my face matte, which is strange when you go to the beach, you think you want to be glowy and everything, but I want to be matte. So I'm just gonna add bronzer. Okay, well, that looks really harsh. I didn't realize it. I'm gonna blend it out, don't worry. I feel like I'm terrible at blush. I love blush and I feel like I always put too much, but I just love it so much. I can't help it. But this isn't blush, it's bronzer. I'm gonna go into the Gorgeous Cosmetics and actually take that blush, just a little bit so my face doesn't look so flat. Here we go. I always like so much blush. It's whatever, the more blush the better. I like to put it on my nose too, like that sunburnt effect. I officially overdid it on the blush, but I'm just gonna take like this and go like that. Alright, that should look better. I think it's because right now I'm turning in where the light is. So, oh well, this isn't like a makeup tutorial. This is just like a vlog and a get ready. Well, it is a tutorial if you want, but this is kind of just like a get ready so we can hang out. So I'm not trying to show off my skills or anything. I'm going to put lashes on. I'm using the Andrea strip lashes. These are like my favorite lashes. They almost look like lash extensions, but they're not. I think I waited too long. They're a little too tacky. See how natural these are? What I do is I also take my eyelash curler and mush them together in case that they're not mushing right. There we go. But then that can happen where it gets stuck to the eyelash curler. So I guess the luck was not on my side today. Okay, lashes are officially on. I'm just gonna end up with the lips. I'm gonna take Whirl by MAC and some Velvet Teddy and a little bit of Gemini by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I know that's a lot, but It's just a good lip combo. Perfect. This is my outfit, just white on white. I've had these pants for so long and I haven't worn them. Yeah, just a bikini top and then some white pants that I got from, I think, Pretty Little Thing. Oop. Sorry guys, I just got this camera, so don't know how to work it too much. But yeah, very just simple. This look is just very simple and just ready for the beach. I'm excited. Gonna eat breakfast here in a little bit, but this is how the makeup looks, the finished look. I just put my hair up in, like, I don't know what you want to call it. Oh, I gotta look in the camera, not in the viewfinder. But, Hey. So we're on the road. The lighting got really bad because you closed the door. But I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, we're going to the beach. Yes, we haven't done anything exciting all summer. And obviously we're going to stay safe, so don't judge me. So we just got to the beach and we found a good area that is not a lot of people are there, so. Oh, hi. Oh, sorry.
Oh,
Well, are you going to the restaurant now? Yes, I am. I'm wait. Yeah, close the door. Yeah, so we found a good spot. So take you along with me. I think my thing is going off. Clear for people, and it's just nice to finally just do something because it's been so long since got to actually do something, and I haven't been to the beach at all since quarantine, so I'm happy. But this is a good spot. It's right under the boardwalk because it's really hot here, so I'll show a little bit of views. Got my drink too, so I'm just gonna relax for today. I'm back and I am enjoying myself. Stop! I'm enjoying myself. Are you? We have a few drinks. But it's just so nice to get out. Stop! But I'm gonna take you guys on a walk on the beach right now. I'm sorry if this is kind of boring, but I just got a vlogging camera, so I'm really happy about it. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're gonna go for a walk in it. Oh my god, guys, I wanted to show you something. It's really sad, but I don't know what happened, but there's like fish everywhere. It's weird, like little fish carcasses everywhere. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't like that. I know I eat fish, but it's weird. But it's so nice out.
just really uncomfortable by all these fish. I really am. There's so many everywhere. So weird. I don't know why there's so many fish. We're going up the pier. I almost fell. We're going up the pier.
Up the pier.
Up the pier. Oh shit. Wait, it's blocked off. No. I will make it my mission not to pay. To walk on a pier, it costs $3 per person. It's not gonna happen, not for me actually. Sorry, we can't get in. Sorry.
When we get back to the truck, do you want to drive down here?
Whatever.
Money on them.
Who has $3 on them right now?
Yeah, we have some money. And we can walk out.
On the raft.
Yeah, let's go on the rent.
$3.
We're not gonna pay $3 to go to a pier when it's free everywhere else. It makes no sense. Bubba Gump shoes.
Bubba Gump from last time.
Hi, so you're watching my story. That's me. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I just went to the restroom. There's nothing else to say, so
What do you mean?
bye.